Hey everyone, welcome back. We got another hard reset for you. Today we are doing the Boost Mobile Celero 5G SC. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted, so just keep that in mind. Also, if you haven't yet, subscribe. We have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up, and we'd appreciate the support. But otherwise, let's get this one done real quick for you guys. This one's pretty easy. First thing you want to do is make sure that the phone is off, and in this case it is off. Then you want to grab your charger, and you want to hold, let's see, you got your volume up, volume down, and power button right here. You want to hold the volume up, and as you're holding volume up, plug the phone in. This should work doing it on the computer. Also, I have it plugged into a wall outlet right now. So put the charger in, hold volume up, and just keep holding. There we go. And that brings you to your recovery option. And it's volume up, this is select, and volume down is okay. So once use the volume up to get the arrow on the recovery, once it's there, then you can hit volume down. And you can unplug the phone now to make it a little bit easier. And it's going to bring you right to your recovery options, and we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, your power button is to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button, confirm again, hit the power button, and then it's already all done. We can either reboot or power off, and in this case I'm just going to power it off. But that is how we do a hard reset on a Boost Mobile Celero 5G SC. If you do hit reboot, all it does is just load the phone to the welcome screen, and then you can set it up as you would when you first got it. So that's part of the hard reset. It just basically deletes everything and starts everything and starts your phone off fresh. If you were signed in with your Google account into the phone, you will most likely need to re-sign into it. So that's one thing you probably will have to do, but just keep that in mind. And lastly, like I said, if you guys found this helpful, if you could like, share, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff, we'd appreciate it. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.